Okay, yeah.
I think you should talk.
Yeah, start. Am I live? Am I live?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. Thanks a lot for breaking my servers. I mean, I thought I was prepared for everything. I was prepared for high CPU usage. I was prepared for the high RAM usage. I was even prepared for that I will run that the server will run out of the disk space. That's why I've been tracking all that. But the thing that happened in the middle is that there were so many different competitions participating, different teams, different people, so many submissions that the server ran out of inodes on the file system. You probably never heard or you haven't heard much about that. But basically, a file system has a maximum number of files it can hold. And the reason why you don't hear about that is that you never hit that limit. And Linux is smart, it's designed to have the high inode limit because whatever crazy things you throw at that. But and here I've been kind of careful. So each trial creates only 3 files. But how many million? Just a moment. Let me just say. So we had more than 1 million runtimes generated. So each trial is 1 runtime. So basically, each trial that you are creating, it's a small world. It's a story. It's unique to this run. And I didn't expect that there will be so many stories told. Poor Miles, if he ever existed, he'd be spinning like that. Or maybe that's how new entities are being created. So thanks a lot. This was an amazing experience, very terrifying because I was thinking that I would walk around and talk to the guys, and I was just vibe coding in a rush all this time through. But we made it through. We made great scores. I hope that you had some nice experiences. Maybe you discovered what agents are, how they work, how they can be tested, what is good and bad about testing. This benchmark is open now, which means that you can go home, or if you want, you can do another run. This time, the runs will be fully interactive, meaning that you'll get immediately scores. You can run the individual trials in a sandbox. You will see answers that you'll have agent explaining what went wrong from its opinion. So now it's feasible to get a perfect one, 100% score, because if you just take float code and say, hey, there's an endpoint, here's the code, now maximize it. Now it's theoretically possible. And we already have some top places in Vienna. So, okay, where's that? It's on my machine, right?
Yes. If you send me a screenshot, I can implant it.
But... just a second. Where was that?
You can just share.
It's on. But the stream.
The stream is here, and this one is here.
Is it a public URL?
No, okay. That's a local screenshot. That's a local thing.
Can you send it via WhatsApp?
Yep.
That would be perfect. Then I implant it.
Just a moment.
And do you have the global one as well?
Global, yes.
Oh, actually, okay.
This one, and the global accuracy is this one. No. A second. This is Vienna. The global accuracy will have to be done slightly differently.
Okay. Then
so
we only do
let's do the Vienna, and then okay. I'll share the local ones afterwards.
All right. I hope it fetches in real time.
Probably it fetches in real time. Most of the time.
Are you ready for the final results? I hope it's fetched in real time. Let's see.
Yeah. So these are the accuracy scores for the submissions. So basically, if somebody participated from Vienna and submitted something for the accuracy, that's the submission that went in. If you didn't submit for the accuracy, if you forgot, then the system automatically picks the last trial or last run. Now you know the people. You do the
So first of all, we had to check the rules a bit because a couple of teams weren't here. And since we can't make sure that you did not scan if you're not here, we will only give prizes to people or teams that are actually here, which means even if you're now not in the top 3, you might still have a chance to win because is Bernhard Götzendorfer here? Oh, well, in that case, congrats.
Yeah.
Congrats to the first place. And you will get certificates shortly. And then second place was Vladimir Manoilov.
Yeah.
Is here. Congratulations. Did you both participate as a single person or as a team? Okay. Afterwards.
Different from Leaderboard on the website, ENHQ for VGN Part 1.
1 second, okay? And then third place, Andreas Peterson. Congrats.
Okay.
Perfect.
So this leaderboard might be different from the real-time leaderboard because this leaderboard was like the submissions were done at the cutoff date. The actual live leaderboard will continue running, and as, over the days, you will see that top places will be taken over by somebody else. But like I'll clean up the data, and the submissions that were done within this crazy 3-hour period, they'll have this marker that they were blind. So if you have, yes.
I just think that it might be inaccurate because I don't know, according to this, my submission was earlier, and according to this leaderboard,
Yes.
I don't know, I have around 54. It's not high, but I don't see it in the table.
What's your name?
Andrei Klimchuk.
And here it's 56.
Here it is.
That's a different Andrew.
54. I see this 54. Oh, 56.
That's a different Andrew, right? That's you, yeah.
And here which one?
Can I switch
another round to
And I'm not seeing you here.
Here might be the problem. I joined the hub after submission. I just scanned the QR code and joined the hub. Maybe it is a problem, right?
So you joined the hub. So are you in hub right now?
I am in hub right now.
Yeah.
I submitted first, and then I remembered that I need.
Yep. Then that could be the problem.
Yeah, and you're on the global one.
Then it's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah, but basically, like the right now, we're talking only about the Vienna local hub, people that are in this room.
Yes.
And I will publish also the like I'll clean up and publish the global leaderboards, and there'll be like the snapshot of the leaderboard from today. So it will be as like we had in ERC3. It will be a frozen state. There will be a live leaderboard where people can continue, but your place within the global leaderboard will be frozen forever. It's a Hall of Fame.
We don't see our scores.
Did you submit?
Yes.
Did you see a run? Did you click a button? Were you in the hub?
Yeah, on the front. I think it's for the accuracy.
If people didn't submit for the accuracy, I just picked their last submission anyway.
Like that QR code.
We'll have to debug.
Maybe not the last, but the first.
Normally last. So no idea or
No idea.
Hmm?
You would have to check because they said they submitted it.
Okay.
Do you want to have a look? Or I
Yeah,
don't know how to
I'll go
check.
have a look.
But you said you had 56, right? No, but unfortunately it was too late. 54, okay.
Yeah, but I joined the hub afterwards. So
Okay, I see.
maybe it would be.
1 second.
How can I check if I No, yeah, and then for sure I submitted. This is a good update. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Because it's very
No, I think it's the platform.
like just talking about
I said we do this one.
but I think on the side on there's a lot of
Okay, so we had a few questions. In most of the cases, just people. Sorry. So basically, there were a few questions. In most of the cases, like 2 cases, people just didn't join the hub for Vienna, and that's why they're not in Vienna leaderboard. No, that's like this is the frozen one. It stays forever. It will written on the tombs. It will be written on the monuments. But on the website, in a day or 2, we'll update the leaderboard so it's more readable, and there'll be like the live leaderboards where like you can also continue submitting stuff and seeing how it evolves.
Okay.
Yes.
also the frozen one, but global.
Yes, it will be same as ERC3. It just takes time to like double check, make sure, prepare, but it will be published.
But we need to check then if maybe the
No.
orders for Vienna change, no?
No, first 3 is good. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Will we have leaderboard on board for speed also?
Yes. Not right now, because there was too much vibe coding to read in time, and actually, like so, accuracy leaderboard is easy one. Speed leaderboards they actually require a bit of time, and local leaderboards they actually require working with the teams to get the details about their submissions. So this will take time, and normally in the previous challenges, it was like we didn't announce leaderboards on the same day. We'd announce leaderboards on the day or something like that. But
can you at least say which, even not the first one, but at least which run get the best points
globally,
globally?
I think it should be.
Maybe let's select top 5 someone.
Let me see. I might need to deploy.
Regarding the 63 score, what was the agreement now?
They were outside of the hub.
I see.
Somebody was like they joined three hubs, but the thing is physically you cannot be in one place. So when you join one hub, you leave the other hub.
I see.
And let me see if I have the global leaderboard already online. Yeah, I have it.
To wrap up. You
Yeah.
have the global one? Can you send me a screenshot?
I can send you the link.
Oh wait, that's already the global one?
Yeah.
Okay, I will share it to the stream as well.
It's a global leaderboard. It's a global live leaderboard.
Oh damn, this is Can I access this from the website as well?
Yeah.
Where?
From the website, just go here. Just go to the event.
Maybe you also want to.
I will add that later, but just go to here to the event.
Here?
Yeah. It's not. So then you'll have to type bgn/l/pack.
Can you type it maybe?
Yeah. It's German leaderboard or German.
/L, right?
Pack one prod. Where's minus one? Yeah. Germans.
All right. You want to make an announcement? Or-
Yeah. Okay, but this is a live leaderboard, so it could be already tweaked by the latest runs. So I'll have to really clean that up.
Maybe you want to mention that.
Yeah. So this is the global leaderboard at this moment of time. Yeah, but there is a mixture of old and new ones. So this is not frozen leaderboard. This is the live leaderboard. And for example, when you go home, when you do the additional rounds, there is still a chance to claim the top spot. And I'm pretty sure, based on the previous challenges, that people will beat 100% within a week. And once again, we will publish clean leaderboards that will have a permanent link on this website that will contain only the submissions that were done within the blind window. And these submissions will be marked and will be frozen forever. Because this live, this is state of the art, and the frozen is state of the production deployment. Yes.
Can you also trace dynamic tasks?
Not in this one. So the tasks are actually in this runtime, they are dynamic, meaning that the things are selected on the fly. Meaning, for example, in one case, Miles is asking to OCR a couple of bills to clean them up so that they're integrated nicely in Obsidian Vault. And when this task is actually executed, it says, first of all, it looks at the story. And there are the story of how Miles was filling this, migrating his stuff. It's actually spans some time. He added himself first, he added a few contacts, then he started adding his projects, then he added Nora, he added his kids. He added, when he was adding new project, he would add new invoices for that project. He would add some bills in bulk. Then he will continue adding invoices a little bit by a little. So when the task that is about about doing OCR and cleaning up his bills, when it is executed, it takes one slice of this time. If it's early, then it will have a few invoices or bills. If it's late, it will have a lot of bills. And then this task goes deeper. It takes a couple of random bills, because if we have 20 bills, there is no point in asking an agent to OCR all these 20 bills. It's just kind of stress test. So it picks random 3 bills. And these bills might have different dates slightly, because whenever it's creating the story, for this task, it will pick slightly different dates. So the story is, the point B is that each task has fixed kind of narrative, but within this narrative, it has a lot of things that it can change, making that it's sure that each trial is unique. But this is all still hard-coded or flexibly coded within the agent harness. So meaning that you cannot just go in, at least within this current BGN platform, and throw in tasks at random. So it's not data set, it's behavioral capture.
All right.
What was the highest blind result? Because this is the first one, now 92, it's already, the person had some time to get the feedback back.
I'll publish that in the...
It's 1 hour ago, so it's most probably blind.
But coding on Rails is 4 hours ago, and that's early enough, and it's high.
Well, 197.
I will make sure that there are markers for the blind results. Yeah. So maybe the Operation Pangolin is a... by the way, we're still on the stream. So congratulations to Operation Pangolin. Congratulations to Big Booba Kolbasuba for the 89 score, and then Codex on Rails, Rust Blind. I think I know the guy who's doing Rust there. Hack and Vibe. So great job. Sorry for a little bit of mess with the leaderboards, but like I will publish separately the frozen leaderboard that includes only the blind submissions, only within the time frame, and we'll keep on having the live leaderboard.
All right. And then I guess we can already say goodbye to the people on
Yes.
the live stream.
Yeah.
And,
there are people on the live stream.
So thanks very much for joining the challenge. I hope you had a lot of fun.
Yeah. That was a great experience, and please don't worry that you broke the servers. There are like enough inodes left, so you can continue experimenting with that. You can work with the benchmarks if they will stay open. And the fact that the competition is over doesn't mean that it is over, because we'll publish the leaderboards. I'll approach to the teams with the top places, asking them to fill in architectural descriptions of their architectures. And then everybody will be able to go back to their website, read what they have done. Sometimes top teams, they share GitHub repositories to their projects. And then you'll be able to look at that, improve your own solution, and then maybe build something even better. So like the competition is going on.
Perfect. All right. Thank you. And see you next time. Ciao, ciao.